On May 3, 1672, news of the deaths of Figueroa, San Vitores, and Calungsod reached the city. As the church bells rang out, their somber tones echoed through the streets. In response, the faithful lifted their voices in the ancient hymn Te Deum, honoring the lives that were lost. On July 23, 1684, the Chamorros launched a fierce attack on Spanish fortress in Agana. A group of natives sneak up a house under construction, kill workers, and capture Felipe, who is still weak from his stomach wound. The natives violently drag him away from the building, shouting and ululating victoriously. Amid the turmoil, Felipe Sonsong nearly beheaded in the fray, but by divine providence he survives. In the wake of near death, Sonsong endures extreme suffering, turning pain into a sacred offering. On March 24, 1685, Dutch ships loom on the horizon, threatening the island of Guam. But amidst the fear, Felipe Sonsong seeks to calm his companions. Through the shadow of battle, his belief shines like the dawn, unafraid of what lies ahead. On Friday, January 11, 1686 at 11 a.m., Felipe Sonsong suffers a sudden seizure. The hours pass and the room remains silent. At 2 p.m., Lorenzo Bustillo checks on Sonsong. He finds him out on his bed, kneeling on the floor, his arms resting on the bed, head bowed. Felipe Sonsong has already passed away. On January 12, 1686, with deep reverence for a man regarded as a saint, Guam's top civil and military leaders gathered to honor Felipe Sonsong. They carry his body from the fort where he passed to the church recently built near the sea. His life dedicated to service and faith resonates deeply within the hearts of the people. Word of his martyrdom soon reaches the Philippines, spreading the story of his revered life and death, a legacy that would endure through the ages.